My name is Kuba Graczyk. I am a head of business for powder bed fusion technologies at Nexa3D, and we are at Nexa3D booth here at Formnext in Frankfurt. Yeah, we are exhibiting QLS 820, which is behind me. This is a powder bed fusion system designed by Nexa3D, and we're super excited to introduce it to the European market. We believe this is one of the fastest and most productive system out there, which is based on powder bed fusion. We solve the bottlenecks of the process of the powder bed fusion technology, which means the biggest bottleneck was the cool down of the machine. Historically, you had to print into the machine and cool in the machine, and now we decouple the printer and the build unit, and you can take away the finished jobs outside of the machine and introduce new build unit into the machine and continue printing. And you can do it over and over again and keep the printer occupied while your parts are waiting to be post-processed, for example, with DyeMansion technologies. And another solution that we apply to our technology is a software. As I'm thinking more and more about the business that we are in, the QLS 820 is almost like a software product, because if you're printing that fast, you need to put a lot of software on top of that. So besides the hardware, which is extremely efficient and extremely good, we have a layer of software to control all of that and give our users the most friendly experience, but also the best results. Post-processing is a really interesting topic at powder bed fusion technologies. There is a lot to be done in this realm, and one of the companies that we team up recently is DyeMansion, and in cooperation with them we're able to enable new markets and to create new parts which are comparable, for example, to injection molding parts, and they can be post-processed, dyed, surface finished to many different colors that can satisfy many different markets. I think Nexa and DyeMansion is a great partnership because of people who work for both companies. I know by fact that both teams are super passionate about what they do and what they work on to satisfy their customers. And me personally, I love to work with DyeMansion team. But besides that, both technologies are designed to be fully the solutions for manufacturing, for high throughput applications. And if you print as fast as QLS 820, you also have to post-process it as fast. Otherwise, you're just moving problem from one place to another, and we will have another bottleneck somewhere else. With DyeMansion solutions, we are removing those bottlenecks on depowdering, surface finish with the automated dyeing and surface finish provided by DyeMansion. We love that, and our customers love to have a whole bundle and package, turnkey solution where they can design parts, print parts, post-process parts, and ship to customers or use in their application. That's a turnkey solution which they love. So we are exhibiting at our booth parts which were finished by DyeMansion equipment. For example, this is my favorite. It's PA12 part printed on QLS 820, and surface finished and vapor smooth by DyeMansion equipment. Our customers love it, and this technology, the combinations of those technology gives you this nice gloss finish like from injection molding, and yeah, we love it. Yeah, we love real applications and we love real case studies. This is a drone housing done for our customer from United States. They build drones, and they reached out to us in search of optimizing the cost of production of their drone housing, and we were able to offer them competitive price and competitive finish in a bundle of in combination of technology with QLS and DyeMansion, and those are the results. I'm super excited for this partnership. I think we will continue to close together on customer application on expanding the market together and streamline the whole process. There is still a lot to be done in this realm. I think the future of additive manufacturing lies in automation, and this is in DNA of both companies, Nexa3D and DyeMansion. We are working on automation on our side, how to automate the 3D printing process. DyeMansion works on how to automate the post-processing, and I see in future we'll meet somewhere in between where we'll give this handoff. We'll hand off our parts that we printed to DyeMansion without any human intervention, for example, and this will be like a full automated line.